Okay, the book calls this one the sexy flexy. It is a leg hang variation built off of an outside leg hang and looks like this. So what's happening here is I've done my outside leg hang and I've got my hand holding onto the pole, which isn't necessarily necessary because we've got the outside leg hang here. But the thing that makes it the sexy flexy part is grabbing the ankle and just pulling down. Okay, so of course you're going to get into your one leg hang however you can, whichever way makes you comfortable. You're going to know which hands, if you've got your right hand high, you will have your left hand on top. If you have your left hand high, it'll be your right hand on top. So this is one of those opposites. All right, so let's try it again. Other side. So get into your outside leg hang, whichever way makes you comfortable. Once you're in your outside leg hang, grab hold of the pole up top and also grab your ankle. And this is the sexy flexy. Okay, so like that. And there's variations. One variation is where you grab your ankle. It's kind of scary. So try it with a crash mat first. And then just remember you can always just squeeze on in if you need to bail real quick, right? So you're safe right here, all right? Outside leg hang. All right. Safe and happy bowling.